Hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. Guys, on this video we will see how we can make the Ayushman card online. So basically we have to click the website Ayushman Bharat Yojana. That IP address is beneficiary.nhc.gov.in. After click on that, we have to interface like that. We have to select the beneficiary first here, then we have to captcha, put any of the mobile number here and verify the mobile number. One OTP will generate, so we have to submit that OTP and put the same captcha as it is and log on. After log on Ayushman Bharat website, there is one kinds of a selection page. So we have to select the state as well as subdivision, district, tehsil, and we can search that whether the name of your dear one is in the Ayushman Bharat or not, or in the list or not. So if you can simply you can enroll here also, put the Aadhaar number, put the captcha and search here, and you can check that whether your senior citizen, your dear one name in the Ayushman Bharat list or not. If it's not, then here is the enrollment option is there. You can click here, then the further eKYC is required, then you can do eKYC through Aadhaar or fingerprint or IRS scan procedure. So if you go with Aadhaar, then you have to select the consent on Aadhaar and simply submit the OTP which is generated on the Aadhaar connected mobile number. So you have to verify that, and the other mobile number which is used in the initial of registration, so that also verify. And now the second step is eKYC details. So it is required to click the photo. So we have to click the captcha, means we have to catch one photographs of the whoever want to open the account. Then additional informations, mobile number of the Ayushman Bharat who want to open the account, and categories, and select the rural or urbans and subdivisions and village, and click on that and submit the form basically. So it is a simple forms we can open for our senior citizens, and we can download from here, and simply this card is used in many hospitals. Here the list of the hospitals also available on the website, you can check. So there is many hospitals which where the Ayushman card can be used for the treatment and for the government different benefits on this Ayushman Bharat Yojana schemes. So the guys, we see in this video that in very quick and very simple step on the website of Ayushman Bharat, we can check that our senior citizens are already in the list or not. If it is not on the list, then you can simply enroll the senior citizens in the Ayushman Bharat, and you can make the card very easily simple step. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please like these videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. We'll meet and see you soon.